Welcome to North Myrtle Beach and Ocean Breeze Luxury Villas, located just across the street from the Atlantic Ocean. Enjoy a glimpse of the ocean and hear the sound of the waves from this spacious and furnished 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath condo. Highlights include an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, each with their own bath, plus an additional half bath for guests. The master bedroom features a sitting area, large walk-in closet, bath with double sinks, granite top, jetted tub with shower, and additional access to the sizable balcony. Cooking is tremendous fun in the well-equipped kitchen, featuring Frigidaire Gallery appliances, abundant cabinet space, granite tops, and a long breakfast bar. Other improvements and outstanding features include hardwood and tile floors, plantation shutters, a recently replaced HVAC system, separate laundry and utility room, and a large TV stand with an electric fireplace. The first floor swimming pool and secure parking underneath provide first-class amenities and super convenience. And this prime North Myrtle Beach location is close to the best restaurants, shopping, golf, water sports and activities, and entertainment the area has to offer. Condos in this 16-unit building don't come available often, so don't miss this rare opportunity. Call today.